Exercise number 29. I am assuming you will like to see the details of the sales of the new books on Siam, and I am asking the cashier to give you these up to this week, full stop. If you would like to speak to me on the business, or if you have special reasons for supposing you can push the sales of the books at this time, I shall be happy to see you, full stop. I have myself seen to the dispatch of all the review copies, and the head of the mailing room has himself seen to the dispatch of copies to buyers by mail, full stop. The subject with which the books deal seems to be popular now, and I have had several visitors to the showroom each day since the issue of the volumes, full stop.